What if I tell you Python objects secretly waste a lot of memory and one hidden keyword can cut it by 50%? And most of the software engineers use this, but mostly tutorials never mention about it. Welcome back to Geeky Codes, and this is part 6 of our Python tricks you didn't know series. And today's trick is extremely important for ML production systems, especially when you are dealing with millions of objects, feature stores, large in-memory data sets, and here we are talking about underscore slots. In data science and ML systems, we often create millions of objects, feature rows, model metadata, and prediction results. Most people define classes like this. This might seem a normal class definition for you, but the problem with this code is that behind the scene, Python stores attributes in a dictionary, and every object has its own dictionary, and dictionaries are memory heavy, and this kills memory in ML pipelines. So what do? We define classes like this. You can see that except this line, everything is same. Here what we are doing is that we are storing names of the attributes in slots. This has exact same behavior and it is using lesser memory and faster attribute access. So let me run it and you can see there is no behavior change in both of the classes. Okay, you can see, and it is also printing name, Alice and age 30. You can see till here it's same for both. How does it work internally? Normally Python does something like object and then dictionary creation and then attributes. Okay, but when we are defining this, what it does is that it object and then fixed memory layout. That's it. So you can see that it is not creating any dictionary for this one, and slot removes the instance dictionary. Okay, and allocates space only for declared attributes, and it also prevents accidental attributes creation. For example, we are since we have defined user 1 here, if we try to add one more attribute to this particular user, so what will happen? It will throw error. You can see that user object has no attribute city, but when we try to add user here, you can see if I run it again, so we have a user class here and we will try to add, then we can, what are real world uses of this particular technique? When we are creating feature objects, this is a huge memory saver and it can be used in feature stores and online inferences. And when we are creating model prediction results, then we can use this method and millions of predictions, and it has very much lower RAM usage. And if we are in an interview, then it can be used for memory optimization. And if you mention this particular keyword to interviewers are going to love this trick. It has a huge memory impact. When we are defining a normal class, it has a high memory usage, and when we are doing it with slots, then it is much lower. So where this trick can be used, it can be used in ML systems, feature stores, high performance pipelines, in memory analytics, and Python interviews and backend optimization. And if you mention this in interviews, you immediately sound senior. Use slots only when attributes are fixed and you need memory optimization. Objects are created at scale and not needed. It is not needed for small scripts. So if this trick blew your mind, then do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Geeky Codes, and comment part 7 if you want even deeper Python and ML tricks. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.